Get ready to be part of the La Joya ISD Summer STEAM Camp. Play, create, and explore. Designated for pre-K through 5th grade students, our camp will strengthen reading and math skills while sparking creativity through hands-on STEAM activities. With daily focused instructions, students will accelerate their literacy and math skills, ensuring they're ready for the 2025-2026 school year. Each week brings a new exciting theme. Little Innovators, exploring science, tech, and art. Big Dreams, Small Builders, Engineering Fun. Planet Protectors, Environmental STEAM Explorers. STEAM Dreamers, Art and Science in Action. From fine arts, engineering, and team-building sports, every day is filled with discovery, creativity, and teamwork. With 20 extra days of learning, your child will avoid summer learning loss and be ready for success. Breakfast, lunch, and transportation will be provided. Mark your calendar. The La Joya ISD Summer STEAM Camp runs from June 2nd to June 27, 2025, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Register today and give your child a summer of learning, creativity, and fun. For more information, visit lajoyaisd.com or call your child's school. Enroll today and choose La Joya ISD.